Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Beaufort, Georgia today. It's Thursday. This is actually, we were here yesterday. The reason we are back is because I advised the realtor that called me this carpet, their primary concern was the black around the edges of the carpet. And I got here, and our machine does get right up against the wall, the baseboard, but I advised them that if that was their primary reason for cleaning the carpet, that they more than likely would not notice a visible difference once we were done, and that I would rather not have their business than them be unhappy. So that was my suggestion to them. And this actually goes to, and this is very important in our industry, is expectations, knowing what the customer's expectations are, and knowing whether or not you can fulfill, meet, or exceed those expectations. Like I said, I advise them. There's also a couple more spots in here. You can see this over here. Tess cleaned it yesterday, which actually this spot looks better than it did. Wasn't really expecting that. And there's a spot in this other bedroom here. I'm assuming that is makeup, which I did not expect it to come out, which it did not. So again, I advised them that they probably would not notice a difference. I'd rather have them, save their money, put it towards replacing the carpet or something else. They called back later yesterday afternoon, said they wanted to move forward with the cleaning. I then learned that this was a house for rent. So it's a rental house. Now, I would highly recommend, if you have rental houses, there would be a long, long day before I replace carpet in rental houses, because, renters, a lot of times, there are exceptions to every rule. Renters, a lot of times, will destroy your carpet. They'll destroy your house, and, they're renters. And I wouldn't replace the carpet probably ever until I was going to sell the house or move back in it or something along those lines. But that's me. So it's a rental, so we're going to do it. Again, the expectations were set. That is the main thing, is having expectations where they are realistic. That was addressed. So we're going to do it. I don't know that I'll shoot an after video because there probably won't be anything to see. But this is a 225 job, so we're going to get on this. If there's a big difference, which I don't expect there to be, then I will, shoot an after video. Otherwise, this will probably be it. So we'll know here in the next hour or so. If this is the end of the video, then again, this is Mitch with OMG Floor Care. OMGFloorCare.com, 404-500-9853. Again, no upsells, no per spot fees or things of that nature. You're charged what you're quoted, or it's free. Most of your carpet cleaners are not going to do that. They won't let you prepay. There's a huge company in Atlanta by the name of Zero Res that will not let you prepay. Not really sure why that is. Guess they want to charge you more. I know they've got trip charges, fuel charges, per spot fees, things of that nature. We do not do that. People call asking for a quote for a reason, because we're all budget minded. So Mitch with OMGCarpetCleaning.com, or excuse me, OMG Carpet Cleaning, OMGFloorCare.com, 404-500-9853. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, we're all done. It does look a little better. I think they're going to be happy with how it came out. The hallway was the worst. I did get a lot of black stuff out. It may not show up real well on the camera. Also get that spot out over there. It came out. So the spot in the secondary bedroom did not. It actually looks worse on the camera right now because the way the carpet is laying. It's been agitated by the machine. So like I said, from the get-go, it's all about expectations. I made notes on the ticket for this particular job that black areas were unlikely to improve, because sometimes you have to put it in writing, otherwise people come after you and accuse you of stuff you already told them. So anyway, again, Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853, on the web at omgfloorcare.com. No upsells, no per spot fees, no hidden charges. Till next time, thanks for watching. Be kind to one another and take care.